Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the human heart. The human heart is situated in the thoracic cavity, more towards left side, and the size of heart is the size when you fist your hand. It has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. 2 atria are divided by Intra atrial septum and 2 ventricles by interventricular septum. And 2 atria and ventricles divided by 2 separated valves. The right side, it's by tricuspid valve, it has 3 cusps, and the left side, it's by bicuspid valve and also called mitral valve. Now we are drawing the pulmonary veins, which brings oxygenated blood to left atrium. And from the left atrium, through the mitral valve over the bicuspid valve, this blood flow goes to the left ventricle. Here is the aorta. Main blood carrier, the saturated blood carrier, oxygenated blood from the heart to the body. And now it's pulmonary artery, the main pulmonary trunk, and 2 main right-sided and left-sided pulmonary arteries starts from the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary artery starts from right ventricle, and the starting point of the pulmonary trunk, there's a valve also. It's called the pulmonary valve. Like that, there are also a valve in the aorta. It's called aortic valve. Okay, these are the parts of the heart. Let's mark them. Right, we'll start from the above. Yeah, this is the aorta, starts from the left ventricle, and now we are marking the pulmonary arteries, pulmonary vessels, which has a pulmonary trunk and 2 main pulmonary arteries, right and left, starting from the right ventricle. And the aorta goes around the pulmonary vessels, which makes the aortic arch. And this is left atrium, and in between the left atrium and left ventricle, there's the mitral valve or the bicuspid valve, which has 2 cusps. And this is aortic valve, which is situated at the starting point of the aorta and the left ventricle, and inferior vena cava, which brings the desaturated blood from the lower body to right atrium. And here, this is the apex of the heart, which is the lowest part of the heart. And here, it's a right ventricle, where the pulmonary artery starts. And at the starting point of the pulmonary artery, there's a valve called pulmonary valve, which allows to flow blood towards the pulmonary artery from the right ventricle. And this is the pulmonary artery starting at the right ventricle. The tricuspid valve is the valve which separates the right atrium from the right ventricle, which allows to blood flow towards right ventricle from the right atrium. And this is pulmonary veins, 2 sets of pulmonary veins, actually the right sided, and you can see the left sided pulmonary veins also. And this is right atrium. From the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, the blood flow towards the right atrium, and right atrium fills with the blood from the superior and inferior vena cavas. Okay, that's all.